Hey guys, welcome to another video, and we begin with a bare face as usual. And this time I'm going to try out few new favorites of mine, and this is the one from Ordinary. It's a silicone primer. Right off the back, once I blend it, you will see an instant difference. It adds liveliness and brings out the skin in a really nice way, and it just smoothens the skin because it's a silicone primer. So it's supposed to give you that smooth finish, and it is an amazing find. Then I'm going to take this mustardy shade from one of my Morphe palettes, amazing palettes to work with, and using like a stiffer blending brush, I'm kind of packing it and blending it, and then with a cleaner brush, I'm just gonna clean everything out and then pick a dark brown shade on the outer part of the eye and just kind of give it more emphasis. And with the concealer, I'm going to create like a cut crease effect on the inner 3/4 part of the eye and add shimmer to it. Even if you don't add shimmer, it's fine. Just the shimmer kind of pops out the eyes a bit more and makes it look bigger. And then I'm just blending everything together to make it look seamless. Then with my favorite Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, I'm just going to use my Real Techniques sponge. This is the closest dupe I found to the original Beauty Blender, which is really expensive but one of my most favorite sponges ever. This one from Real Techniques is pretty good too. It's an amazing find as well. And then I'm going to use the contour stick from Nykaa. I'm sorry, it's their foundation, but I kind of use it as a contour stick because I hate how it blends out as a foundation. But for contouring, it has a really beautiful cool tone and warm tone in it, which kind of helps with the contour a lot and kind of chisels the jaws and everything in a very perfect way. And then after I blend everything out with my contouring, I'm actually going to use the Fit Me bronzer and do the bronzing. Very nice. So for the next step, I'm going to use this Essence Blush On. Super affordable. It does not have too much pigment to it, but enough pigment to bring out your cheeks. And when you smile, it looks really pretty. It's got a beautiful pinky shade, and for beginners, you need to apply your concealer before powder, but I forgot to do it. So I'm just applying on the area where there is still no powder, and I'm going to just blend it in that area so that I do not crack my makeup, because if I apply cream over powder, it ends up cracking your makeup, especially if you have dry skin. It is going to crack really bad. So I'm trying to avoid it on all the areas where there is powder, and I'm just going to then use my brow pomade from Anastasia and kind of define my brow. I'm always a pomade person. They're really heavy, but I personally love jet black brows. They are amazing. Then I am going to be using a lip liner. I don't know if this one's from Essence, I believe, or Maybelline. Maybelline does super amazing affordable lip liners, and I had this because I was going to try a lipstick from Wet n Wild, but turns out it was so bad that I had to begin again and had to wipe everything out. And then I chose the perfect combo for my lips. This one is actually a limited edition from MAC, so I don't think if I tell you the shade it's really going to help, but the other shade that I added on top of it, I'll mention it below, because those two together, so if you find any shade like this, a purpley shade with a little bit of pink hint to it, and then add this pink shade, which is like a peachy pink shade from MAC, this will give you one of the most beautiful nude pink combos. How weird it is that you're using two not nude shades, but together they just give you the perfect pink combo. And I loved, to be honest, I was living for this combo. Yeah. By the way, off camera, really quick, I did add my liner and mascara, and then I'm gonna use my highlighter. This is again the one from Maybelline, and it's an amazing highlighter. And look at that, it's got a perfect champagne shade to it when you turn. Amazing. And because this was something that is going to be your go-to, your office makeup, your everyday makeup, I don't want it to have that super full coverage finish, so I love the Maybelline foundation. If you blend it out with the sponge, it gives you that medium coverage to make the skin look really pretty. It pops out the skin in a really, like, you know, seamless finish. It just gives you almost like, that's my skin, I don't have foundation on. And you can add a little bit of highlighter. Even using a cream highlighter will kind of make it look very natural. So if you want to go more natural, instead of powder highlighter, you can add a cream highlighter. And that's for the look. So if you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do press the like button, share it with your friends, and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.